Hey Realty, welcome back to my channel and yet another video. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to the channel, hello, hi, my name is Melody Valeria. I'm about to be your new favorite internet sister who cooks, cleans, crafts, and does everything and anything in between. So in today's video, we're going to be doing end of year cleaning, spring cleaning, you name it. So I needed to wash my curtains and also clean my windows. So I'm just taking off the curtains and I'm going to soak them for about an hour in some washing powder and some bicarb of soda. And also on this day I needed to take my blankets to go get washed and dried, because I figured if I do it on my own they won't dry, because it's been raining like almost every day. So if I try and do it on my own, they won't dry. And I did not have time on my side. So yeah, this is me just taking off the curtains. My husband helped me a bit there. Yeah. So after soaking for an hour, I took that time to take the blankets to go and get washed. So I really love soaking my curtains in bicarb of soda, because I see that it removes a lot of stains and it kind of softens my curtains somehow. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah. Usually I would also add some oils, some essential oils, but I did not have any at this particular point. So yeah, I just had to use what I have. So yeah, guys, I hope that you do enjoy this video. Please give this video a huge thumbs up. Hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't, or consider subscribing if this is the kind of content that you'd like to watch. Drop a comment in the comment section. Let's engage. What was your favorite part of the video? Have you washed your curtains this year at all? Or you are those people who do not believe that curtains are washed every time and anytime? Let's talk in the comment section. So yeah, guys, enjoy the video.
It's the end of the year. Everywhere on TV, couples and Christmas trees, gift wrapping and cheer. Just the worst time to be without someone special. In all the movies there, kissing in the snow, holding hands and mittens, baking together at home. I like the movies when I'm walking in the snow, cold hands and mittens, eating gingerbread home alone. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, snowflakes in my hair, carols playing in the air. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, red bow in my hair, sleigh bells in the air. The only thing I'm missing is you. Stockings on fireplace, but in my living room, a single one with my name, knit sweaters and lace. Dressed up alone on the couch during cold winter days. In all the movies there, kissing in the snow, holding hands and mittens, baking together at home. I like the movies when I'm walking in the snow, cold hands and mittens, eating gingerbread home alone. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, snow.
So recently our house was fumigated and the windows were also fumigated, I guess, because the man who was doing the fumigation was spraying the windows. So they were pretty bad. They were pretty bad. So I was forced to wash every single window of my home. So right around the house, I had to wash every window. But it was quick and easy for me because of this squeegee, or I don't know what they call it, but it's a window cleaner. It makes everything easier and smooth, and the windows were squeaky clean, no marks whatsoever. So the process was a little bit fast for me. So I used Sunlight dishwashing liquid and some Spirit as my homemade cleaning solution for my windows. So that is what I was using. So I would scrub with the other side, and then I would scrape off the water with the other side. So this was a really quick process for me. And the most tiring part was washing the curtains. But as for cleaning the windows, I was so happy. This was a fast and efficient tool to use. Okay, I advise that you get yourself this tool. Also, if you notice that there's something wrong with the picture quality of my video, please excuse that, because I realized that my footage was oversaturated. I tried to play around with the editing and all that, but it did not come out perfect. But I just left it as is, because this is the best that I could do in terms of trying to fix the mess, because yeah, it was really oversaturated. I think while recording I pressed on the wrong setting or something, because the first footage, as you saw, was okay. Now this one was oversaturated. It was so bad. But anyways, you love me, right? You watch regardless, right? Yeah. Is there a word in an regardless? Aish. Guys, let's continue watching. Don't mind me and my English.
Lights that glow. I'm glad I got to know you better. We've come so far since that December. Who would have known I would have made my best friend on that night, under 1,000 Christmas lights. Another year went by so quickly, it's Christmas time again. And even though we both get busy, we still have time to talk for hours on end. I'm glad I got to know you better. We've come so far since that December. Who would have known I would have made my best friend on that night, under 1,000 Christmas lights. Like stars around you that sparkle from the trees. Glad I found you. I'm not alone. It's you and me. I'm glad I got to know you better. We come so far since that December. Would have known I would have made my best friend on that night, under 1,000 Christmas lights.
Powdered sugar in the snow, candy cane and mistletoe.
Can I please get an espresso?
Back to the heat in mid-July, I was driving outside to Nat King Cole. And he said, "You've been good, but I won't lie. The fire of Christmas spirit has died. Grab your friends and sing this song. It goes like this, and it won't take long. No need to overthink it. Just open up your heart and sing it." Oh, oh, oh. I didn't even ask for things on my wish list, 'cause all I need this Christmas is your love and attention. So pass me my coat and let's get on the road. We can cut down a tree and some hot cocoa drinks. The roads might be icy, but who gives a bleep? And then December rolled around. The snow was falling down. Everything decked out in red and green. Then Santa decided to give me a ring.
Okay, Boomer.
And he said, "You've been good, but I won't lie. The fire of Christmas spirit has died. Grab your friends and sing this song. It goes like this, and it won't take long. No need to overthink it. Just open up your heart and sing it. Open up your heart. Go out, sing it.
Listen, I know we all like being on our phones all the time, but I think we need a reality check. And some of us definitely need to check our screen time. I have no room to talk, but can we go back to the old days and actually enjoy the holidays?
Alone it's Christmas, but I won't wait till next year to try and feel the distance we've had with decorations in my bag. It's taking it slow, won't work in time. It's only so long for Christmas lights. It can't be a song you sing sometimes. I need you to sing it for your whole life. So let me be your family this Christmas. Let this be the season that you've been waiting for. Let me be your family this Christmas. Give to you myself this year, I promise I'm yours. This year you've left me wondering just how you're feeling, and I want you to know my doubts about his relax. Me walking barefoot in the San Diego snow. I wanna make you, I wanna make you, I wanna make you feel something familiar. I celebrate you. God did his thing with you. Don't be a stranger, be my date. Without you, this ain't a holiday. So let me be your family this Christmas. Be your family. Let this be the season that you've been waiting for. Let me be your family this Christmas. Be yours. Give to you myself this year, I promise I'm yours.
So yeah, this is it about this video. I did collect my blankets later on in the day, but I did not film that for you guys. And also I did not film the part where I was putting back the curtains, but they did dry on the same day. Lucky enough, that day it did not rain. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching today's vlog. As I said earlier, don't forget to like, comment, share, be motivated to clean your space, because we're at the end of the year. Let's end the year with some clean spaces, and also because it's hosting season, we need to be cleaning, right? So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, give this video a huge thumbs up. If you can, please share it with your friends, family, neighbors, your subordinates at work, your bosses at work, anything, anyone, just to share this video out, okay? And yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't skip ads, guys. Please do not skip ads. It helps this channel in something, okay? I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Goodbye for now.